Hi, I'm Nazim, founder of Kukarella, and I'm happy to let you know that today we released new powerful tool, AI Assistant, that allows you to create dialogues from your prompt by your description. If you go to Dialogues AI app on our website and click on this AI Assistant, you can enter description, what dialogue do you want to create, for whom. Maybe it's for your students, or it's conversation, training conversation between your client and your sales rep. If you need help with prompts, you can click on popular requests and choose a prompt from this long list. You can check by section, let's say for educators. You can find prompts for educators or for businesses, training materials or demo videos. Compose conversation where a customer shares their positive experience, or write a step-by-step dialogue guiding users through setting up product software, addressing common questions. In this prompt, we just replace this placeholder, but your custom one, let's say, what product software? Let's say Gmail. And yeah, you can after that click prompt, or maybe you want to use some documents for dialogue generation. Let's say that you don't need AI to create dialogue itself, you just wanted to create dialogue based on your documents, maybe your internal documentation, or you found interesting article and you want dialogue based on that. Just upload files, ask AI to do that, and it will do it. But let's continue with this. So we want to create step-by-step dialogue explaining how to set up Gmail properly. Let's see what happens. It's done. This is a reminder that you can change voices if you don't like them. Okay, so dialogues created. You can check, and if all is good, click play. That will start voiceover generation. You can listen, and if you're happy with the result, you can keep it as it is, download it. But if you want to replace a voice, you can do that. Let's listen to a few paragraphs. Clients.
Welcome to our Gmail setup guide. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, I'm ready. I've heard good things about Gmail, but I'm not very tech savvy.
Don't worry, we'll take it slow. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Do you see a Create Account button?
Yes, I see it. Should I click on it?
You got the point. We created dialogue in a few seconds. After that, our system selected voices which can narrate this dialogue. If you want to replace these voices by some other voices, just click on them. This, by the way, these are multilingual voices. So if any line of your text is in a different language, or you want to translate it to different language, then translate, and this voice will read that line in the language it's written. Okay, and if you want to replace this voice for this actor, just choose the one you need. Let's say,
"Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
If you like my voice."
Robotic voice.
"Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice."
Okay, so you see, it's basically the same as before. We created actors, assigned certain voices, but you can choose voices by yourself. So please give this platform a try, this tool a try, and share your thoughts. This is a new tool. We just released it, and in a few days we will collect collect feedback. After we collect feedback, we will improve it. So if you tested and noticed some bugs, or you want to add some features, please message me. You can send me a message in this chat, or send a mail to support@kukarella.com, and we'll be happy to help. Enjoy this AI assistant tool. I will remind you that you can find it in Dialogues AI on the main page if you click on Ask AI Assistant, this one. Enjoy and have a great day.